How to use AI conversation in HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to answer that question by answering the following three questions. Question number one, what exactly is conversation AI? Number two, how to enable conversation AI in HighLevel. Number three, how to add a conversation AI chatbot to a funnel or website inside of HighLevel. So I'm going to hop out of here and into my demo account. And first things first, we want to go into settings at the very bottom. We're going to go to Conversation AI. So what exactly is Conversation AI? Well, Conversation AI is HighLevel's version of tapping into the ChatGPT API. And so instead of you having to worry about using a Zapier, Zap, or a Make, or a Pobly connection, or something along those lines in order to connect your HighLevel account to OpenAI's ChatGPT in order to utilize AI in conversation, they've just built an interface that makes it dead simple to use. So that's what we're looking at here on the screen. So by default, the preference under preferences is going to be off. Then you have suggestive helps you within the chat window, and you have autopilot, which is what you pretty much want to be using primarily. So you'll select that. Then supported channels may or may not be defaulted here to SMS, but if you want to use it with live chat, you'll click on live chat. And then after you've done that, we want to scroll down here, advanced settings, business name. It'll default to the location name of the business that's listed here. So if that's fine, just leave it blank. If you want to change something else, you can. Autopilot mode, wait time before responding. It says 2 minutes. You may or may not want to speed that up and change the defaults. Maximum message a bot can send to a contact right now is set to a default of 10. You may want to up that to say 15. Then on send bot to sleep when I send a message manually or through a workflow, so that puts it at 2 hours by default. So the current plan is 2 cents per response, or you can upgrade to the unlimited plan for whatever you see the price for there. Once you've done that, then what you need to do is click save. And once it's saved, then you're going to skip over bot trial and you're going to go to bot training. And then you're going to put in a URL you want it to crawl. So in this case, we're going to use marketingengenSai.com, and we're going to click get data. And it may take a while for it to fetch the pages that it's going to crawl here, depending on how many pages there are to fetch. And it found one link, and in this case it was the root URL, and it trained it. So then what we can also do is you can customize bot responses by including FAQs to train a bot to handle missing information to a question. So you just click this plus Q&A, you enter a question, you enter an answer, and you save it, and you can continue to add as many of those as you like. Once you've done all of that and you're happy with it, then you can go to configure intents, and if you want it to push people to book an appointment automatically, you can enable that. By default, it's disabled. Then you need to make sure you pick the appropriate calendar. And then if you don't want it to book the appointment, only send a booking link, you would check this off. All right. And if you want to change anything with the prompting, you can edit the prompt itself here as well. So once you've done that and you're happy with all of it, then you can go back to bot trial, and you can send it a message and ask it a question, and it'll give you a response. So I just asked it a question, what is Marketing Engines AI? And the bot came back, Marketing Engines AI is an all-in-one marketing system with AI integrated tools like a sales funnel builder, website builder, SMS messaging, and more to simplify marketing efforts. Now if I like that, I can click the thumbs up, and it'll pretty much put that in its memory banks and respond appropriately, almost verbatim every single time someone asks that question. If I don't like that response, I can hit thumbs down, and I can then do some other configuring to add more data through, again, crawling more pages and or FAQs to get it to answer the question better, right? So if I didn't like how it answered this question, I might put this Q&A in Q&A instead. So then I can do that by simply copying that question, going back into bot training, going to add Q&A, ask the question, and then put in my answer. And I'm going to give it an answer that says Marketing Engines AI is an all-in-one digital marketing software that comes fully loaded with various proprietary engines to empower your digital empire. And I'm going to click save. Now if I go back to bot trial, I say I don't really love that. I can click the thumbs down, right? And it says here's the edited response. So I can change it here too with the Q&A. Or let's see what happens if I just ask this question once again. So let's reset the conversation. Let's try it one more time. What is Marketing Engines AI? Marketing Engines AI is an all-in-one digital marketing software packed with proprietary tools like Sales Funnel Builder, Website Builder, SMS messaging, and more, all effortlessly connecting your marketing tech. Okay, so it did not give me the answer from my FAQ like it should have. So I can still say thumbs down on that, and then I could edit it here. So I can go back to my bot training. I can go into my FAQ, and it should have pulled this in. I'm not quite certain why it changed any of it from what it said, but it shouldn't have. Let's do what is Marketing Engines AI. All-in-one digital marketing software with various proprietary engines to simplify and enhance your marketing efforts. Includes tools like Sales Funnel Builders. So of course, again, it's making up something extra. It starts pretty much as it's supposed to, but then it starts going on its own tangent. So if I don't love that, if I put in what I want it to really say, I should be able to say train bot. So we're going to ask this one more time. What is Marketing Engines AI? It's an all-in-one digital marketing software packed with proprietary engines to power your digital marketing or digital empire. So again, it didn't give me an exactly the same answer, but it's giving me much better than what I was before. So let me give it a thumbs up on that. All right, so this is how you train your bot. It's not going to be perfect. It's not going to necessarily answer everything perfectly, but it's going to be darn close for you. And then what you want to do once you have it all set up and you're happy with it, you need to go into Sites. And then from Sites, we need to go into Chat Widget. And then we already have a live chat widget built. But if we want to build a new one, we can do live chat, select it, and then we can give it a name like I just did. So this could be live chat and put whatever it's trained for, right? So you might have multiple live chats for various reasons, and then you might want to switch them in and out to maybe even split test or whatever the case may be, but we'll consider this one live chat for MEAI, which is Marketing Engines AI. And then we would want to come into messaging or chat window, title and intro. Want to make sure the email field is enabled, and we want to make sure all this is also live chat message, and you can configure this, and then a live chat close, and you can configure all of that. And then when you're happy with it, you can just click save, and we'll go back. And then you'll go into a funnel or a website. In this case, we'll just select our Form 0 funnel for fun. Go into settings, and then here under chat widget, it might be set to none initially if specifically you had none, and it'll still say none if you just create a brand new chat widget but have not yet assigned it to a specific funnel. And then we just select the one we want, and then we click save, and it's pretty much as easy as that. So I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up to this video, as always. And if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Just leave me a comment below this video, and I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free. just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive a HighLevel Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it, So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out. You can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.